Hello there, Richard here from richardshub.com and welcome to the first episode in my Lightroom Hints and Tips videos. So I am doing a series of tutorials that I am doing of real quick tips that may help you in your workflow. They're going to be 2-3 minutes each and no longer than that. So let's get into it. So we're going to get started with episode 1 right here, and this is all about how to add GPS coordinates to those old shots you might have in your library. So go into the catalogue or the folder that you need to add GPS coordinates to, and we are here in the map module. Let us find a picture that we want. We're going to use this one at the bottom here, which is a picture of a couple who I don't know at Lake Louise in Canada. So in the map module, come up to the top right hand corner here where it says search map, and we will type in Lake Louise. Hit enter and that will take you into the area that you search for. I know that it was at the lake here, so we're going to zoom in a little bit. And this particular picture was taken from this end of the lake. So all we do really simply is drag the image where you took the photo. And that is it. And if you look at the photo down here, there is now this little pin here highlighted showing that it has GPS coordinates. And if you head over to the library module and go into the metadata section, you can see that there are GPS coordinates in the photo here. And you can do that with any of the photos. Let's go back into the map module real quickly. This photo here, I'm pretty sure is Moraine Lake, I think. I'm not quite sure how you spell that, but let's have a go. I think that is where it was. Let's pretend it was for this instance. And again, just drag and drop, and you have now geotagged that photo as well. So there we go. Real quick. I hope that was useful. Don't forget to like this video if you did, and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks, or hints and tips, should I say. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.